Did you know that yogic practices can change your genes and strengthen the immune system? A recent study by researchers from the University of Oslo in Norway found that yoga and Sudarshan Kriya can substantially change the genes in the body's immune cells. The research team led by Dr. Fari Satsioglu experimented with 10 subjects.
So in our study, we asked whether there are rapid effects of a comprehensive programmed diet from yoga on gene expression patterns in circulating immune cells. And the program that we used as an intervention in this study is taught by the International Art of Living Foundation worldwide and include yoga asanas, classical gentle hatha yoga postures, ujjayi breath and pranayam, and Bhastrika, which is a forced rapid breathing exercise, and Sudarshan Kriya, which is a unique stress management and self-development program.
The participants practiced yoga and Sudarshan Kriya for 2 days, spending 2 hours moving through yoga postures, Sudarshan Kriya and meditation. For the next 2 days, they spent time in nature walks and listening to music. The researchers analyzed blood samples of participants.
A comprehensive yoga program gives rise to changes in gene expression patterns in circulating immune cells. You can easily see it in this Venn diagram where SKMP affected 111 genes, whereas the control regimen affected 38 genes. It's very remarkable that so many changes in gene expression occur in such a short period of time, the 2-hour period.
After practicing Sudarshan Kriya, I feel a lot stronger in my body. I used to faint from low blood pressure and there's no sign of that anymore.
I had a lot of problems with my health. Actually, I got cold very often and sometimes I have problems with my stomach. But after I start practicing Sudarshan Kriya, that these problems all gone, really. Now I am happy, healthy and strong.
Yogic practices have far more widespread impact, inducing health benefits through differential changes at the molecular level. If your yoga mat has been gathering dust, it's time to take it out and practice your Sudarshan Kriya. Sudarshan Kriya is a yogic practice that can be learned in the Art of Living Happiness program, offered in over 150 countries around the world.
Many of us are familiar with the effects of stress on our body, from headaches to upset stomachs, body aches, and tiredness. But what about the effects of stress on one of our most precious assets, our brain? How about a crash course in what happens to the brain under stress and how we can handle it? Under stress, a physical response is triggered which directly affects the brain in ways that impede our ability to focus and concentrate. This response limits our ability to connect with friends and colleagues and strains our relationships. You might remember from high school biology that brain cells use chemicals called neurotransmitters to communicate. Under stress, a hormone called cortisol is released which hinders the functioning of neurotransmitters, making it harder for brain cells to talk to each other. This makes it difficult to think clearly and is the reason why we get confused in a crisis or a stressful situation. Cortisol also causes a chemical reaction that directly kills brain cells. In addition, cortisol triggers the fight or flight response. This directs blood glucose or energy away from the brain to our muscles so we can fight or flee. This can save our lives if we're running from danger, but in daily life, when stressed, the response creates an energy crisis in the brain, which obstructs our ability to learn new things. Fortunately, these effects can be reversed when stress is reduced. Knowing how stress affects the brain, one would think the solution is to simply force the mind to relax. Unfortunately, the mind has a terrible time telling itself what to do. For example, telling your mind to sleep usually leads to little or no sleep at all. Research at Harvard University found that forcing our minds to do something like relaxing just doesn't work. A solution to effectively managing stress and calming the mind can be found in a more tangible tool: breathing. Because there's a direct link between breathing and emotions. European researchers studied people watching movies that induced emotions of anger, sadness, and happiness. They discovered that each emotion creates a distinct breathing pattern. They also found that just having people breathe in these patterns induced the same emotions. This demonstrates that we can influence our emotions through our breath. So instead of simply being overwhelmed by our emotions, we can transform them through specific breathing techniques. Numerous independent studies have shown that the Sudarshan Kriya breathing techniques, or SKY, are effective stress management tools. Psychiatrists at India's National Institute of Mental Health found that levels of the stress hormone cortisol are significantly lower in SKY practitioners. Published research from Sweden shows that SKY significantly reduces the stress, anxiety, and depression we face under the demands of everyday living, and increases our optimism and well-being. It's as effective as standard antidepressive drug therapy, is free of side effects, and has less drain on the wallet. SKY can also increase our ability to excel. It has been found to enhance brain functioning. Published research shows that SKY significantly increases beta brainwave activity, which is associated with heightened alertness and increased focus. Independent research worldwide indicate that SKY is a potent breathing program that significantly reduces stress and enhances brain function. This can improve our ability to focus, solve problems, and understand complex issues. In addition to the physical benefits like lowering cholesterol and boosting immune function, regular practice of SKY relieves anxiety and enhances well-being and positive emotions. In fact, prolactin, a well-being hormone, is shown to significantly increase from the very first session of SKY practice. And it is well known that emotional well-being is directly related to productivity, concentration, learning ability, and success. The benefits of practicing SKY for any business, organization, or family are obvious, and results grow over time. In a world where everyone is under increasing pressure, regular practice of SKY creates a powerful advantage for our mind, body, and how we interact with everyone around us.
In today's scenario, when there is sort of anxiety and fear because of the virus, the people need something to calm down. That they need something that would help them to boost the immune system. See, if our immune system is strong, no virus can attack us. What are those few things we can do staying at home to boost our immune system? Yeah? The first thing that you can do is take care of your diet. Don't take too much sugar or avoid white sugar totally. Just 1 teaspoon of white sugar has been found to reduce your immune system by half. 50% of your immune system gets down for next 2 hours. Just imagine if you keep feeding yourself with white sugar and white flour all day through, drinking tea or drinking this and that, your sugar level is increasing on one side and your immune system is going down on the other side. We can avoid all those foods which are not healthy, which doesn't support our immune system. Second thing is that attend to your breath. Do some breathing technique. One of the breathing exercise would be breathing out through the left nostril and then slowly breathing in to a count of 4 or 6 and holding it for the same amount and then breathing out from the other nostril, from the right nostril. Breathe out for 6 to 8 counts, whichever is comfortable. You breathe in to 4 count, hold 4 count and breathe out for 6 count, or if you can continue to up to 8 counts. Doing this Nadi Shodhan Pranayam for 5 minutes help you to recuperate, and it also helps to balance the right and left side of the brain. Yeah? So breathe out through the left and then breathe in to a count of 4 and hold 4 and then breathe out. Breathing out has to be a little slower than when you breathe in. This is one technique. After this alternative nostril, the second thing we'll do is we'll do the Bhastrika. Breathe in and breathe out with the same speed, with focus, attention on your belly. Keep your belly pulled in and breathe in and breathe out with force. And every time you breathe out, make sure you are keeping your navel pulled in. This form of Bhastrika will also help you to get over anxiety. Yeah? 3 rounds of Bhastrika. Relax. Then the third thing is you breathe through the nose, deep breath, and breathe out through the mouth. Slowly. Make sure you are in a clean atmosphere and you are not breathing out on somebody. Okay? Breathe in, long deep breath, and then breathing out through the mouth. This you can do 10 times. This will reduce the anxiety. Have you noticed whenever you are frustrated, you come out with this type of breathing. You say, oh my God. Oh, enough is enough. You breathe through the mouth to get rid of the stress which you cannot handle anymore. So this technique you can do for 10 times. Breathe in. Let's do it now. Breathe in through the nostrils. And then breathe out. There are 2 ways of doing. When you do yoga exercise, you breathe out faster. Breathe in and say, no, not that. Here in this pranayama, you breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth slowly also. We do with the same count. Suppose you breathe in for 2 counts. You breathe out for 3 counts. Breathe out slowly. This would help to calm down our mind. This would help to manage your anxiety and tension. You can do this lying down. Just lie down in Shavasana or in corpse pose. Breathe in and when you breathe out fully, stop there for a few seconds. Even few seconds, consciously stop and then breathe in. This will help in all type of anxiety, the exam fear or performance anxiety, stock market anxiety, all type of anxiety, and insomnia also. Suppose you can't go to sleep and you're lying down, you're twisting and turning, and at this time you can just relax your body and take a deep breath in, hold, and then breathe out through the mouth for a longer period. This will also help you to get over sleeplessness, insomnia. Even after jet lags, you can try this. It can energize you. The fourth technique that you can do, you can teach everybody at home, Bhramari. Bhramari is plugging your ears and the lips, nose, eyes, and gently plugging them and taking a deep breath in and then humming. Humming like a bee. Let's do this now. Let's. Five times this Bhramari. This will also relax your brain, relax your body and mind. Now, let's do meditation, okay? Eyes closed, body relaxed. Let's sit in a comfortable chair or on the floor with our spine erect and body relaxed. Make sure you are comfortable. And let's close our eyes. And become aware of our whole body. Let us recollect the weight of our body. Whatever it is, 60 kilos, 120 pounds, 150 pounds, whatever it is. Just remember the weight of your body. We came into this planet weighing just 8 pounds or 5 kilos. But today, we weigh much more. Let us place the weight of our body on the chair or on the floor we are sitting. Our body is the most precious gift to us from nature. Let us honor our own body. Let's take our attention to our legs. Relax our legs. Our knees, thighs, shoulders, arms, the thorax region, your head and face. Take your attention to the top of the head. Honor the whole body. This body of ours have billions and trillions of cells. And there is enormous energy in each cell of our body. Just let it be. Now let's become aware of our breath. Let's take our attention to the nostrils and observe the breath that's moving in and out. Let us notice the temperature of the breath, the volume of the breath. Now let's become aware of the air all around us and inside of us. Like fish in the water, we are in air. Let's honor our own breath. It is this breath that is keeping us alive. Let's move on to the third dimension, the mind. Our body is like the wick of a candle. Mind is like the flame all around it. Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. Let's take our attention to the navel region, and we will now make the sound 3 times. Let's take a deep breath in. Another deep breath in. Again, let's breathe in and soak in the sound that we are making ourselves. Relax and let go. Let's take our attention to the chest region. Now we'll make the sound Breathe in. Let's breathe in. Relax. Relax your mind. Keep your body still. Another deep breath in. Let's take our attention to the head region. Now we are going to say the letter or the word mum. Breathe in. Take your attention to your head region. We are going to say simply sound. Another deep breath in. And notice the sound percolating through the whole body. The sound impacting our whole body. Let's once again take a deep breath in. Now just relax and let go. Let go of all your efforts. This moment has nothing to do and nothing to know either. Just relax. Let go of all your efforts and simply relax more and more. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. You are peace. You are peace. And slowly and gradually become aware of body and surroundings. Let's take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out and let go any traces of stress that may be still hanging. Another deep breath in and as you breathe out, become aware of body and surroundings. And you may gently open your eyes. So we have a number of such meditations. You can practice this meditation twice or thrice a day. Don't forget to use turmeric. Add turmeric in your diet. It'll be good to have turmeric. Nano turmeric is even better. And turmeric with just a little pepper. That will really safeguard you. It will boost your immune system. Also, it is antiviral. It has antibacterial properties. And then moringa leaves is good. We can also do this urja, which is the real powder form of moringa leaves. Moringa leaves are good to boost your immune system as well. Don't forget vitamin C, lemon juice, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. So, soon the world will get over this crisis that we are facing now. So, nothing to panic, but let us be cautious. Okay? All the best.
Namaskar. Hope you could do this beautiful meditation with Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji. My name is Siddharth. I am a faculty member of Art of Living. I am also a chartered accountant. And this immunity program is brought to you by the Embassy of India, Muscat, on the occasion of the Yoga Day event, which will be big way celebrated across the world on 21st of June. We would like you to attend the Sudarshan Kriya and practice the regular Sudarshan Kriya, which will be very, very helpful on increasing our immunity levels. In Yoga Sutra of Patanjali, Patanjali said, Heyam Dukkham Anagatim. The purpose of yoga is to restrain the miseries even before it comes. So your practicing daily yoga can improve your health and overall well-being. It is a very important aspect of our life, of our day-to-day life, to improve the immunity level. Hope to see you soon in one of the Art of Living programs or in the yoga sessions of the embassy organized across, and would like you all to take the benefit of yoga in your daily life. With this, we would like to thank you everyone for watching this video and would like to see you doing the practices more and more. Thank you.